Hello everyone, today we're going to show you how to record screen with UkeySoft Screen Recorder. The program is available on Windows and Mac computers. Today we're going to show you how to do it on Mac. Okay, this is the interface of the software. There are 5 options that you can choose: full screen recording, custom area recording, app window recording, camera recording, and audio recording. Okay, let's go through full screen recording first. Okay, full screen recording, that means you're gonna record full screen. So you press record here, then it's recording your whole screen of your computer. Okay, you can pause in here, or you can stop the recording after you finish the recording. Okay, let's go back to the interface. The next one is custom area recording. Okay, that means that you're gonna select an area to record a certain area. So when we press the record button, you can choose an area here to record the area, then take to start recording. Now it's recording the selected area. Okay, let's stop. Okay, so let's go back to the interface. The next one is application window recording. That means you're gonna record a window or an application. So when we press record, we can choose one of this window to record. Okay, let's choose this website. It's recording on this website window. Okay, that's it for the recording. Okay, let's go back to the interface. Minimize the window. Next, we're going to show you the audio recorded. On audio recording, you can choose system audio. That means you're going to record any music, any sound from your computer, inside of your computer. For microphone, you're going to record your voice from your microphone. And you can also record both system and microphone. That means you're going to record something in some sound in your computer and your voice from the microphone. Okay, that's it for the audio record. Okay, before recording, you can also set up your output file. Let's take an example for full screen recorded. Again, in here you can choose quality for HD and SD, and also you can set up your output file format. In general, you can choose 5 output files here, or you can choose your audio format and the quality, as we say, in HD and SD. And also you can set up your personal shortcuts in here for start and stop recording, off and off, off and on, camera and stuff. And also you can add watermark, text watermark, image watermark, or if you don't want watermark, just click now. And that's for the main setting for your output file. Okay, that was for the output setting. Okay, next I want to show you the recorded file, the recorded video. And let me show you the full screen one. This is the full screen one. Let's play the video. Let's play the for a few seconds. Okay, that's all about for the software. We've shown you how to use the UkeySoft Screen Recorder to record screen. Okay, this is a very useful, very powerful, and very convenient software. If you want to download the software, please go to the UkeySoft official website to download the software.